Body ready to kneel?
Ready.
Kneel. So, yan. So, kaya gagawin naman natin ni Sir for arm sleeve. Body ready to practice na?
Okay, so yung isang hand, nandito sa harapan. And then yung kabilang hand, yung dalawang rescuer na sa kabila. So yung dalawang nasa likod, ayun yung mahawak sa likod ng victim. Okay, and then nakalock din yun. Okay, nakalock din siya. Then sura niya. Okay, sura niya. Okay. Ayan. Okay, practice lock pa rin.
Practice lock, unlock.
Practice lock, lock,
Lock.
and then unlock. Okay, and then ready to insert.
Practice lock. Unlock. Okay, insert. Body ready to stand.
Ready?
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, stand. Show me your inner foot. Ready to walk with your inner foot first.
Ready?
Walk. Ready to stop.
Ready?
Stop. Ready to unload.
Ready?
Unload. Okay. So, pwede natin yung piano ng imam kanina. Pwede na natin i-slide para diretso na siya makaupo.
Ready?